Hey guys, when I don't know it's my girl Nikki back in the kitchen again. So today I decided say me I go cook some what I call this again? Some cow food guys and rice and peas. Just a regular Sunday dinner. Yeah. So guys, more on the day here and just stay tuned and watch your progress so don't see when a girl Nikki cook cow food because I know everybody cook for them cow food different. So I'm gonna show you my style of cooking my cow food. So stay tuned. So here guys, I wash my peas and put some on the fire. I add salt to it already. So me like crush my pimento seed. So I'm gonna put my pimento seed in there. And then I have my garlic. Yeah, so I'm gonna put about four pieces of garlic in it. Put it on and cover the pressure pot and make it go on pressure. And then I start on the cow foot. Wash it, season it. You guys, so stay tuned for that. So here guys, you know what, as I said before, I just put on the peas. So this is the cow foot now. Well, them say I imported cow foot this. But you know we Jamaican use our local cow foot. So but go bad up that imported there. Understand me? So I'm gonna wash it and clean it up, you know. But you must slice it because man, like pretty.
Yeah man, it's pretty.
Right size in a cutting too, cause I like when time then. So here we have the cow foot guys, well washed, clean and pretty. As on a seen before. So it never ugly. So cut up some garlic. Now me that crush my garlic, but I can't find my crusher me use and crush my garlic. So I have to use the knife and match it up. Maybe take a little while. I use about 5 pieces, 5 garlic. Then garlic. I add some pepper to it to give a little spice. Wow. Just the same speed of mash up my hand guys on my phone. So guys, as I said before, me like use my pimento seed. So here me I go crush it again. I'll put on the cow foot. I crush out my one on the cow foot. So as usual, this is jerk season guys. A jerky season. The one name adobo. That. All purpose. Yep. And then you know the good old brown egg. So we're going to rub in this now guys. And because we are rubbing it to say alright then what's to the love. Understand me? Rub it in. Rub it in. Yes, that is it. So we're going to, after rub it in guys, we're going to allow it to marinate for some couple minutes. And then we can put it on the fire. And go put shrimp one pressure. So guys, as you can see, I just take off the peas off of the stove. So I make the pressure go on.
You can take it off so?
Hey, one time I tried and take it off, so something goes spurt up straight up in my face, you know. And the hottest thing I ever feel.
Keep burning up, man.
So guys, so here you have the coconut milk. I already did blend up the coconut already. And juice it off camera. So I'm gonna add the peel. Do before you get wet. Yeah guys, so add the peel. Wash out, look at the goodness. You know, can't left nothing in there. So there we have it. So I'm gonna put the pepper. I always like put 2 pepper, I don't know why guys. And the thyme. Not all of this scallion, but some. So after putting the thyme, guys, I'm going to test it to taste if it wants salt. And add some salt. Taste it first. I already have add the salt to my peas. Get a little flavor. So yeah, guys, it wants salt. Taste it one more time. Guys, normally I would have butter, but I don't have butter now, so I put a little oil. So once I have any butter, so I use oil. Yep. So I'm going to leave this right here. So cover it and leave it right here so if it boil down. Coconut juice boil down in the pot. So guys, what we're going to do now is that we're going to put on the cow foot right now. Me want me cow foot. Me want me cow foot. Cow foot time, guys. Nice clean cow foot. Look at this. Look there, guys. This is going on right now. Alright, so I'm going to add in my cow foot them now in the pot. Now I'm going to go in minutes and I have to put my time. Now I'm going to start with my beef sauce. I'm going to come in a while.
Put them in one.
Guys, you don't want to smell this cheese stuff. You don't want to smell this, so I wish you could have smelled through the phone. Yes. Guys, my grandmother always tell me say, when you cook meat like this, if you want it to cook as thick as possible, always drop a piece of ice in it. But right now, I know this is going to take a time for me because guess what, I never sit in the ice, so I can't drop the ice in this. I have to just constantly just throw water for boiling water on it. Okay guys, so I'm going to allow this, make this one cook there a little bit and then we put the pressure cooker over it. But we have a new style dinner. Guys, we have to wash the rice anew, and cook it in a bit of the new thing. So guys, this is the second wash. So 3 times I wash it. Now wash it 5-10 times. 3 times and that's it.
I think 2 is enough also.
Yeah. I can remember when Teddy Brooks said say you have to wash your rice until the water clean and rubbing. Now the time there. Guys, that's the second washing now. Let's take me the chance. Alright This is it. Giving all my life. Alright guys. Right, done what? Guys, come take a look. Just look at this. Just look at this. Look how pretty that is. She's that. I'm going to check on the cold food guys after I stir this and let this down. Turn it on a little bit. Check on the cold food. It's up wrong with it. Just do that, but you know, not see everything. Then I go look on the cold food guys. Whoa.
Hot.
You know that? And put a gummy in the pot here.
Smell like it warm. And a burnt a burn. Cool on you know. Really 60.
Wow.
Soft.
Yeah. So the guys, then one night my thing there with the pot, yeah. As in transfer it. But you know me not transfer it. I make it stay in the pot, yeah. Because all of the flavor done in the pot, yeah. You get what I say? Alright, so guys, I'm sure you know, because I don't want to say my cook up, not cook, because I don't want me to have things. Look at this. Well Jamaican. Understand me? How food she right is so well cooked. But still I gonna make it think them more, because I gonna allow it for. Look at this. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. And even should I give it 5 minutes more? I think so. I'm gonna give it 5 minutes more guys. Under pressure. I add look more water so it can give 5 minutes more. So guys, I'm gonna check back again to see how far it is, because me think that it's cooked, but when I taste it, it's did one, you know? I'm gonna look a bit more softness next to it. So. Show them where I'm going there first. Alright. Feel that now. Yeah man, I eat this. I eat this. Eat this. So I'm going to add in the season now. So I have onion, tomato, scallion, thyme, pepper. And same speed guys, I'm gonna drop in one butter bean in it, same speed. Maybe butter bean there. Drop in the butter bean in it, last butter bean, same speed. Most people use the water from off of the butter bean too, but me always throw off my water. I don't know why, me always throw it off. Stir around the season at night. a little tip of water to that. Turn up the stove back a little. This man cook now. So guys, just want to stay tuned for the finishing touch for the next 15 minutes. I'm showing you the rice. We are going for the rice. So let's go on for the rice, guys. Well, pretty over there. Yeah. So stay tuned for the finishing touch up. So guys, finishing touch up on the rice, you know. So that's all nice. Yes, my love.
Shelly.
Shelly like who? Shall I do Shelly then? Walling a Walton Park?
No.
Maxfield? Alright, take out them pepper here, guys.
No, boss night a problem.
What's night a problem? Alright, so after that, I can knock off any minute now. You say you want to taste it? And tell them what it tastes.
Taste the country pepper and
I check on this now. Guys, I don't want to tell you something. And I must have wonder when I see my children look a bit of water in the pot. Why me do it like maybe when that's why she not add look of water. But guys, when I need to understand when I cook meat, when I want the flavor to stay in the pot, when I can't put too much water in the pot for long out the flavor from out of the pot. You understand me? So I put a little bit of water because remember when you have pressure, the pressure make it own water itself sometimes. I didn't even say sometimes, but all the time. So for me like keep my spices in my pot. So I not long out my water. So I just stick my water liquor by liquor and to the amount where I know say yeah, I eat that. So guys, come take a look on the whole food over here. So well cooked, well nice. Yeah. See there? Well thick. You see that? Watch it.
flavor.
Look at that. Ask Christ if this not taste good. Man ask. Alright, so this can lock off now. So guys, just stay tuned and we continue to share this food and show you how it look. Guys, I'm getting in it right now. This is me going to share my dinner. Remind me some of the lock off of this, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Well, guys, I'm going to taste today now. And the man back at the camera, I'm going to tell you now how it tastes today.
Yeah. Why on that?
I go conceal it and tell you now what I'm going. Better?
Yeah, man.
There's some piece of nice. What kind of juice I say senior?
Yes, yeah, share. My turn. So, share with meat. Get tonight and see what I want there. Yeah, peeps. What I do it. Let's see what I get tonight and I want to see what I want. Which one of them are mine? Yes, sir.
Alright. So, you can see the man behind the camera. I'm going to taste it and tell you what I want.
Hey, peeps. See what I want to feed there. That's some peeps. What? Yeah, see what I want to feed. You go foot there now. Buckwheat. Cow foot, that is it. Yes. Ah.
So guys, please remember to like, share and subscribe, and please remember to hit that post notification bell to get posted whenever we drop a new video.
Alright.